You want to learn how to create a post or thread on BlueSky Social. In this video, I'm going to help solve that problem. So first, on the BlueSky Social app or website, if you're visiting it via an app, you will see this on the bottom right, which looks like pencil icon. Click on this to create a new post. Or if you're on a Chrome web browser, click on this on the left, new post. And inside this, you can write a new post. And when you type something inside it, you're going to see this plus icon. So you can click on this and add another post. And this is going to make a thread. You can type something more and then again do a plus, put something here again. And each of them has a character limit. On the bottom right, you will see this. This is 300 character limit for each of these posts. For this one, it's 295 because I type in something. Now you can also add an emoji on the post, a GIF, which is going to be from Tenor. You can add a GIF, put an alt text from here, add a video on this, use caption and alt text, etc. And finally, you can also add an image. On the right of this plus icon, we also have this button which says English. If you click this, this is post language. If someone in their BlueSky Social account have set their post language settings as Japanese, and you create a post in the post language English, your post is not going to show up for those people who have selected Japanese in their settings. Even if you type something here in English, you can select Japanese here and post it. Keep it English. Apart from these post language, you can also select other and choose from all these languages. And when you click on post all, it's going to be posted. And that's it. Our thread is now posted on the post section on my profile. And I can view the full thread from here. I can delete the post by clicking on these three dots. Did this video help solve your problem? Let me know with a like and comment.